5.
Twice vice.
Aro.
Vice twice.
Hindi na ka masabihan. Vita Plus! Vita Plus! Duha ka vice. Governors! Vice man. Duha man go. Governors.
So our content for today is Guess the Puzzle Part 3.
Afterlife. Afterlife.
Wrong.
Death after life.
Wrong.
Death in life.
Next player, please.
Life and death. Life and death.
Wrong.
Death and life. Between death and life. Death.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Life is death.
Wrong. Is it?
Death on arrival? Death on arrival. Wrong yan. Sabi nila.
Okay.
Death is full of life.
Didlap. Wrong. Wrong didlap.
Death between life.
Another.
Life after death.
Life after death.
Afterlife,
Ang
bro.
life. After matches sa death.
After.
Next. 5.
Man overboard.
Correct.
Yes.
Ano na yan?
Wow.
Leg.
5. 4.
Alam! Broken leg.
Correct. Next.
Saan mo na? Broken heart?
Correct.
Lagi ko. I love you, heart. Hello, heart.
Time to time.
Hi!
Times 2?
Wrong. Next
2
player,
times?
please.
Multiple.
Time after time.
Correct. Time.
Lala! Ay! Samba! Samba! Ikaw pa ako. Rest! Awa ba di eh? Kaya, pagkubag to. Ikaw pa rin.
5.
Kasawa ko. Town.
4. 3.
Near town.
Wrong. Near town. 5.
Bubo na hometown.
Wrong ang hometown. 5.
Downtown?
Correct. Down. Next. 5. 4.
Penis.
Wrong.
Wala ka sa buhay ko. Penis. Parang ko ka. Growth pains.
Or?
Growing pain.
Correct.
Wala!
5.
3 na ya?
4. 3.
Ice over the tree.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Ice cube.
Ice cube. Correct.
Ice cube. Cube the tree.
Hindi mo na dito cube.
Cube tree.
Wow, sa math cube na, babe. Di mo na.
Ada na mat day.
5.
Ha!
Four.
Settle down!
Correct.
Lala! Wala! Distur! Luy!
5. 4.
After the price.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Umuwi na tayo sa timbahan.
4.
Price tag.
Next player, please. 5.
Overprice?
Wrong. Wrong.
Okay.
5.
Right price?
Correct. Right.
Lagi.
Kani ang clue ani kay tanaw ninyo ang number o ang word. 5. 4. 3.
To blame.
Wrong.
Second blame.
Kuwang. Saktong to blame pero kuwang.
To blame.
Wrong. To blame.
So na oy, 0 to blame.
Wrong.
On to blame.
Wrong.
On to the blame. On to the blame.
0 to blame.
Yes! Oh, sige na.
Okay, 5.
To blame.
Wrong.
To blame. Give me.
Di may kanta ay.
Zero to blame? Zero to blames.
Wrong.
Blames, Donia. Blames.
Next player, please. Tanaw number niya ang sakto na tong to blame.
Zero to blame with tuldok.
Wrong.
Uli na tayo. To blame. To blame that blame.
Wrong. 5. 4.
To blame, zero blame.
Wrong.
Swing beam.
Ikaw kasi kito. Ha? Kisa last ni. Sige.
To blame in the box.
Zero po to blame.
Wrong.
Ako last na. Ako nang to. Ako may.
Tama na ka?
To
Masa may
blame.
wa ka number?
Zero.
1.
Oh.
Zero, one blame.
There's no one to blame.
Wag yapon niya. I am.
Okay.
5,
Hindi ba kami nag-grade 2 ko?
4.
Tuna fish.
Correct.
Ala! Nakakay!
5,
Business.
4, 3,
The business.
2, 1.
1.
The business in the center of the bread.
5,
The
4.
the center business. The business is the center.
Ha ha ha
The
ha!
business is the center. Diba?
Ako ya! Business center! Wala pa tayo! Pinagaw sa buhay ko. Business broken. Businessman. Businessman.
Business mo mal.
5.
Business?
Wrong.
Capital business.
Wrong.
Di ba, capital yun?
Wrong.
Okay, last na.
Asa may kuwang?
Business.
N.
Oh, there's
Oh.
there's no S in business. Wala may S.
Na may S diha.
Kuwang mag-usa ka S.
Mura dito bagya, there's no is business.
No.
Oh, okay.
Sige, yes.
Business is
Incomplete
incomplete.
business.
5,
There's no one
3.
into under me. Stands me.
Oh, wrong.
Understands me. Wala, there's no one understands me.
Correct.
Ano to yan?
There's no one understands me.
Coaching. Lala! Salamat sa mga...
Paano naman?
5, 4, 3,
Shing! Ikaw ras.
2.
Fast broken. Broken fast.
Wrong.
Kita na maya ay.
Oh, 3, 2.
Puzzle fast.
Get lost. 5,
Past since past.
breakfast.
Breakfast.
Passing down.
Breakfast.
Correct. Break. Na-break ka ng fast.
Ano na ko na yun? Ang kagahapon ng api mo dahil dato.
5.
Ay to ay.
Wrong.
Bird man to busa.
5.
Blurry ay.
Let's play please. Oh, di na
Blurry
mag-wrong.
over
Oh,
black.
Black eye!
wrong.
Eyeshadow?
Correct. Eyeshadow.
Ala!
Di ba nakaibag siya?
Ang eyeshadow may sa eye. So eyeshadow.
Shadow ban.
5,
Ha.
4, 3,
Ladder. Ladder.
2,
What are you doing?
1.
Ala kay...
Stepfather!
Correct.
Lala!
Ala!
Lala ka sa buhay ko.
Gisounds ba ni Gisi?
Yes, daddy.
5, 4,
Saan to sigbaw yan?
5.
Once in a life.
Wrong.
Time.
Let's
In
play
a time, in a once.
wrong.
Time. Wrong to yan?
Wrong.
One in the style.
Ano si left side?
I'm in the number 1.
5,
Okay, lost.
4.
Clock once.
Clockwise.
Once clock.
5, 4.
Once under the clock.
Let's play please. 5.
Clock over once.
Wrong.
Sa pagay.
Correct. Once up on a time.
Okay, naminaw.
Told
Up man up. Up on a time.
Ay, over.
5,
Ang putya. Nakapay ba?
5, 4.
Ha ha ha! Airport! Airport!
Asa na kayo po na ni? Asa man eh?
Tukbanan sa airplane. Glo.
Oh, sige. 5,
Okay, muna ko anit. Tingin mo
4,
The
3.
blurred globe.
Wrong.
Blood man to ga. Yo. Muli na ka. Muli na ka. Sama sa ato.
1.
Work drill.
Mark Drill.
World trick. World trick.
Wrong.
Basta na yan eh.
World trick.
World trip.
Ha?
World trip.
Or? I-change ang words.
Trip to the world.
Or?
World to the trip.
Trip to the moon. Brum brum.
Wrong. Sige, tagang chance. Mura yapon to pero nag-usa man ang trip.
Around the world.
Around the world trip.
Bali lagi.
Trip around the world.
Trip.
Kapan ba? Na!
Gusto pa tag English.
Jupiter mo ka ba?
Ninyo lang.
5,
Vice plus vice?
4,
Pero ka ni.
Vice. Vice.
5, 4,
Vice plus
Vice.
vice. Vice, vice.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Patay ko.
5.
Twice vice.
Wrong. Next player.
Vice twice.
Next player.
Di na ka masagyan. Baita plus. Baita plus. Duha ka vice. Governors. Vice man. Duha man gaw. Governors.
Sige.
Vice to vice.
Wrong. Right to vice. Sige, 5.
Vice versa.
4.
By plus.
Kasi nasa na ikaw.
Play. Vice between vice.
Wrong. Yung saang vice?
Tama, gi-plus.
So?
Vice plus advice. Ay, advice. Not it was.
Advice.
Advice di ay.
I-add mo ng advice.
Overload.
Ha?
Overload. Load.
3, 2,
Load.
1.
Loading. Down.
Download.
Five.
Between table.
Next. Hindi, kaya pa mao. 5.
Table com. Urong di iya.
5.
For table com.
Wrong.
Mapdos ko gaw.
5.
For table com.
Wrong.
Comfortable.
Ha? Consider, sige. Comfortable.
Ano makomportable man.
What's your inyo?
1.
Awake.
Wrong.
Ah!
5. Correct. Wake up.
Thanks kasi.
Ginawa na. 5. 4.
Water.
3.
Water. Water. Corb.
Next player.
Kay mo ka na. Makain sila siguro
Carb
ko.
water.
Wrong.
Ano ma'am? Corb.
Kita ko si ma'am.
Sorry ma'am.
5.
Okay na kaya ma'am. Di ba ko kaya?
3.
Black water.
Wrong.
Waterfalls.
Waterfall.
1,000. Hala, patay 100 na lang. Utangan mo na ako 2,000.
That's it, Panchit.
Hala, patay! Ang kabawi, uy!